Hello everyone and welcome to my first lesson with you about Macmillan English. My name is Teacher Nina. Normally I teach grade 4 in the morning, but now I will be taking over some of your English classes for your Macmillan English. I know you don't have the book, so I will show you the book on the screen while I'm explaining what you should do. And I, of course, will send a copy of the books in our group on Telegram. So I want you to do the following activities today. Tomorrow we have a live lesson and then we'll discuss the answers and you can check if you've done your work correctly. So let's see what I want you to do today. First, I give you some introduction to the book, as maybe you don't know some characters that you will see. Okay, some characters that you will meet in this book. The first character is called Wordsworth. He knows a lot about words and he will help you with vocabulary activities. Then we have Bernie the Builder, will help you with grammar. He will help you to build sentences correctly. Then we have Captain Superspell is a great speller. She will be there to help you with spelling and she will teach you helpful spelling rules. And then the last person you'll meet in this book is called Penny Pen, loves writing. She loves helping people too. Penny is always around to help you with writing activities. Okay, so these are the 4 characters you will see continuously in this book. Let's go on and start with Unit 1. Unit 1 is called The Sun and the Wind. And that's also the first story that we are going to read, and we're going to answer some questions about this story. So I'm going to read the story to you, and then we will look at the questions which I want you to answer. Okay, so the sun and the wind are always arguing. The sun thinks he is stronger than the wind. The wind thinks he is stronger than the sun. Okay, the first scene. The setting is in the sky, and the characters are the sun, the wind, the cloud, and the man. The sun and the wind often argued. The sun thought he was stronger than the wind. The wind thought he was stronger than the sun. One day they met in the sky. The little cloud was near them. I am very strong. I am stronger than the rain. I am stronger than the snow. I am stronger than you. I am very strong. I'm stronger than the rain. I'm stronger than the snow. I am stronger than you. No, you're not. Yes, I am. I can blow and blow. Yesterday, I blew the trees and made them fall over. I blew the clouds and made them move. I am made of fire. I can burn and burn. Yesterday, I shone on the dry grass and it caught fire. I shone on the water in the river and it dried up. You are always arguing. I've got an idea. We can see who is stronger. We can have a test. A test? What do you mean? There is a man walking in the valley. He's wearing a heavy coat. Let's see who can make the man take off his coat. I can do that. I can do that. Okay, now we go to scene number 2. They are in a valley and the characters are the wind, the sun, and the man. The man is walking in the valley. The cloud tells the wind to try first. I'm going to blow and blow. I'm going to blow off the man's coat. The wind blew and blew. It's very windy. I must hold on to my coat. I must blow harder. The man is holding on to his coat. The wind blew and blew, but the man held on to his coat. I am very tired. I cannot blow anymore. Now it was the sun's turn. I'm going to use my fire and shine and shine. The man says, it's getting hotter and hotter. Look, the man is getting hot. I'm very hot. I must take off my coat. Look, The man is taking off his coat. My fire made the man take off his coat. I win. I am stronger than the wind. So that was a nice story about the sun and the wind. Now let's see the questions that you have to answer. Okay, so we are only going to do the comprehension questions. You don't have to look at the vocabulary just yet. What you have to do, it says look back and find the correct answers and circle the correct answers. So the wind thought it was stronger than the rain or the cloud. You go back to the story, find the correct answer and write down A or B. So the sun burned the trees or the grass. Go back to the story, see if the correct answer is A or B and write that down in your notebook. And what you do for number 1 until 5. Number 2, you're going to discuss your own answers. So you have to be a little bit more creative. It doesn't necessarily mean that the answers are in the story. So you have to use your brain a little bit more because they will ask you, how do you think? Do you think? Okay, so number 1, 2, and 3 you can find in the story. Number 4 and 5, you have to think about it. So that's question 1 and 2. And then I have one final page, is this one. You see the story very summarized, but the story is put in the wrong order. So what I want you to do is to put the sentences in the correct order so it explains the story as it is in the story on the other page. So it has to make sense. So it starts with the wind and the sun are arguing. What is the second thing that happens? So you're going to read all these sentences and you're going to put them in order of the story. Okay, so that is what I want you to do today. And then tomorrow during the live lesson, we will talk about the answers and you can see if you've done your work correctly. And if you have some questions, you can ask me during that live lesson. Okay, good luck with this first unit in this new book for Macmillan English, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.